Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling temperature and particle size. That's the only way. Heat the cream until it's steaming, just below a boil, about 82 to 85 degrees Celsius. Then pour it over finely chopped chocolate. You want the chocolate pieces small, 5 to 7 millimeters, so they melt evenly. Once poured, wait 60 to 90 seconds. This lets the cream soften chocolate without aggressive stirring. Then stir gently from center outward. That first slow incorporation determines silky texture later. Once the chocolate and cream have softened, you emulsify deliberately. Stir very slowly, moving from the center outward to coax a smooth, glossy emulsion. Fast agitation traps unmelted solids and causes grain. If the ganache feels thin or lacks shine, incorporate a small amount of butter or cocoa butter, 5 to 10% of the chocolate weight, to improve mouthfeel and sheen. If graininess appears, stop and place the bowl over a warm water bath. Gentle heat and patient stirring will remelt, and you finish by stabilizing texture and correcting any grain. If the ganache remains grainy after gentle stirring and warming, use an immersion blender at very low speed, brief bursts, to re-emulsify. Keep the blade submerged to prevent aeration. Make final adjustments by cooling slightly to thicken or warming a few degrees to loosen. If small solids persist, pass the ganache through a fine mesh strainer. And remember the key troubleshooting tip: never overheat. Incremental, gentle heat is the only way to prevent seizing and grain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.